Hi, I'm Kep Kepner CPA here in Dallas. So it's winding down to the end of the year and you need to have salary. And, oh, by the way, you really haven't made any payments to Uncle Sam. Number one, Uncle Sam wants you to have a salary because when you have a salary, they collect Social Security and Medicare as well as income tax off that salary. So think about this. At the end of the year, you pay yourself a big bonus and your net check is zero. So let's say you pay yourself a $30,000 bonus. You're going to have to pay Social Security and Medicare on that. That'll be about 15%. So you're going to count on that. That's about $4,500. So that leaves you, after your half of the Social Security and Medicare, not 30,000, but let's say 28,000. Then you pay Uncle Sam an estimated tax payment through your W-2 of 28,000. So you end up with $30,000 of salary, zero take-home pay. You've paid the IRS $28,000 in income tax, and now you do your tax return. Well, the IRS is going to say because you were paid by a W-2, it's as if you paid that $28,000 throughout the whole year, even though you did it the last half of December. So the value to that is you're going to owe the tax. You have to have some salary, and you have now made it so that you're not going to get penalized for those quarterly estimated payments, because it's all at the end of the year and it's included as part of your W-2. So there's a really good strategy to take into account that you need a salary. Now remember this, if you have a small business and you don't have a salary in that business, let's say you're an S Corp, or let's say you're a Corp, and you haven't paid your salary, you have raised your odds of being audited from 1% to 5 or 10 times that, because the IRS is looking for tax money, and they don't buy the fact that you can run a business without getting a salary. So you might as well play the game, get some salary, and use the technique to pay those estimated payments all at one time. And if your CPA isn't clear how to do that, well, you can actually do that with a journal entry, even though you have to pay the IRS their Social Security and Medicare. So if you need help with that, we'll be glad to give you a hand. Give us a call. Thanks.